Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the updated process of adding a collage directly to a section on a Pinterest board. This feature lets you creatively showcase your ideas by combining multiple images into one engaging pin, all within a specific section of your board. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device and head straight to your profile. Here, you'll see all your boards organized neatly. Next, tap on the board where you want to add your collage. If your board has sections, select the specific section you want to add the collage to. This helps keep your pins organized and easy to find. Once inside the section, look for the plus add button and tap on it. From the options that appear, choose Collage. This will open Pinterest's collage creation tool, allowing you to start building your collage right away. Now, it's time to create your collage. You can add images from your existing pins, upload new photos, or use cutouts to customize your design. Arrange and edit the images as you like. Resize, move, or add text and drawings to make your collage truly unique. When you're happy with your creation, tap the Create button to finalize your collage. Pinterest will save your collage as a pin directly within the section you selected on your board. And that's it. You've successfully added a collage directly to a section on your Pinterest board. This feature is perfect for organizing your ideas visually and sharing your creativity with others in a fresh, dynamic way. Give it a try and watch your boards come to life with beautiful, personalized collages.